In this video I'm going to give a little review of what I think of the UU-Rig external microphone. This is a very high quality microphone and it's suitable for all iOS devices, so your iPhone, your iPad, whatever can fit into the charging port of an iOS device. This microphone is perfect if you're doing some type of YouTube vlog, interviews, if you're doing TikTok videos, any type of selfie mode recording that you're doing. This microphone is going to be perfect. And if you're curious about what this microphone sounds like in action, I'm actually recording this whole video using the external microphone connected to my iPhone. So to give a little breakdown about how this microphone works, this device connects right to your iPhone with lightning plug and allows you to record high quality professional sounding audio with your existing iPhone. No need to recharge, there's no battery required. The mini mic design is convenient to carry around and record at any time. From what I noticed, the sound is more pure and its frequency response is wider and significantly better than any built-in smartphone microphone. The material of this microphone is actually very sturdy. It has a metal body and it has a very cool spray painted look to it as well, and it feels very durable. It comes with two mic covers, which is really great. The first one is a windproof sweater for professional outdoor windproof and noise proofing for your microphone, and the second one is a high density sponge cover used to protect the microphone and filter out any background noise. The iPhone speaker will be disabled after inserting the microphone. You can listen to the sound by using the 3.5mm headphone jack, or when playing it back, just unplug the device and you can listen to it freely.